This is Gallagher123123. In this video, I want to show you how to change channels, browse the guide, and set your DVR using voice guidance from Comcast on the X1 box. So first, let's look at changing channels. There are a few ways that you can change channels. One of them is to use the number pad and type it in. So that's the method we'll try first. So if you find the number pad, you'll find the 5 key, which has 2 dots on it, and you'll know you're at the number pad. It's laid out like a telephone, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2 buttons, which we're not going to cover. One's the TV setup and input. Okay, so to change the channel by typing a number, you press the number. So we'll do a few of these. We'll go to channel 4, so press 4.
Press OK to select 4WBZ channel. Press up and down arrow keys to review search results. Press exit to dismiss.
Okay, so now you press the OK button, which is located in the 4-way pad in the center. And it's raised so you can feel the OK button in the center there. So when you press OK, you'll switch channels. Now let's try one more. We'll go to channel 42. So now you type 4, 2.
Press OK to select 4WBZ
Okay,
channel.
let's put in the 2. It didn't like the 2 that time.
Press OK to select 42CNN.
So press
channel.
OK. And we're back. We're on 42 now. So that's easy. Another method is to use channel up, channel down. But personally, I don't see why anyone would want to. So channel up and down are on the right side of the remote, and they're in the second and third row. It basically feels like one little bar with a tactile up and down arrow. So if we press up,
code TV500 at vistaprint.com.
now you don't get speech feedback here, so I don't fully recommend this method. So those are the 2 ways that you can change channels. Now, browsing the guide is also very easy. Let us go back to channel 4.
Press OK to select 4W.
So I've typed it in, pressed OK. Okay, so to browse the guide key, there are 2 ways to enter the guide. One method is to press the Xfinity button, which is above the up arrow, and select the guide option. Let's try that.
Xfinity main menu. Press right or left arrow to review, then press OK to select. Guide.
So, guide is highlighted, so press OK, and we should hear what's playing.
Guide. Press right or left arrow to review programs on this channel. Press up or down arrow to review programs on other channels. Press OK to view program options. Press guide to filter channels.
So now, it didn't read it, so we're going to press right and then left.
Now playing. The Talk. 44 minutes remaining. Press OK to watch.
Okay, so that's one method to access the guide. The other method is to press the guide key, which is 1 button to the left from the Xfinity button. Again, the Xfinity button is above the up arrow. So you go up and then left, and that's the guide button. So we'll press guide.
was a little flat on the left side.
Guide. Now playing. The Talk. 43 minutes remaining. WBZ HD channel 804. Press right or left arrow to review programs on this channel. Press up or down arrow to review programs on other channels. Press OK to view program options. Press guide to filter channels.
So now, what we'll do is we'll press right arrow and we'll see what is on, and that's how you can browse.
3 p.m. Dr. Phil. 60 minutes. Press OK to view program options.
So it's a little slow to read the data, but it will read it. So let's go.
4 p.m. Judge Judy. 30 minutes.
Now you can go faster.
4:30 p.m. Judge Judy. 5 p.m. WBZ News. 30 minutes. Press OK to view.
Terrible abuse.
4:30 p.m.
So now I'm going back.
4 p.m. Judge Judy. 30 minutes. Press OK to view program options.
Okay, so now, if you want to, well, quickly before we do this, you can filter channels by just tapping that guide button, and you'll enter a little menu.
Select your guide view. All channels.
Now this I haven't quite figured out. All channels,
HD channels.
HD,
Favorites.
favorites,
Trending.
trending,
Movies.
movies,
Sports.
sports,
Kids.
and kids. So let's go back to
All channels.
all channels and press OK.
Guide. Press right or left.
So now, to get description for a show,
4 p.m.
you can press OK.
Judge Judy. 30 minutes. Press OK to view program options.
So we'll press OK on Judge Judy.
Judge Judy, 4 to 4:30 p.m. rated TVG. Closed captions available. A landlord accuses girlfriends of theft. A boxer sues his promoter. Episodes.
And then we have some options here. After it reads the descriptions, we have episodes,
Record.
record,
Other times.
other times,
Series info.
and series info. So, as you heard, there are two ways to, well, there are going to be two ways to record a show. The first one is to
Other time. Record.
select the record option. But there's an even faster way, and that is using
Judge Judy. 30 minutes. Press OK to view program options.
And the faster way is to press the record button, which is the row above the Xfinity button and one to the right. It's the same row as the exit button. So, to record this show, you press the record button, and you'll be taken into a menu.
Record options. Judge Judy. Today 40 to 4:30 p. on 804 WBZ HD. Just this episode.
So you can record just this episodes,
All episodes.
or all episodes.
Just this episode.
So we're going to press OK on just this episode, and we'll press OK, and it's saved. It doesn't say anything, but it will just go back to the guide. Now, if you chose all episodes, you would be taken to another little menu, but we'll cover that in a future video. So now, to exit out, again, is the row above Xfinity, and one button to the left. And that is how you browse channels, browse the guide, and set the DVR, using voice guidance from Comcast. Hope you found this video useful. See you in the next one.